my god, Karan. Delicious. What's up? So today I am out to meet a friend of mine who is a chef. So we were in school together and he used to bring delicious food for lunch, and so I told him that I will be coming to his place to again have that delicious food, and today is the day. So right now I have something to do. I have to get my guitar serviced first, and then we're gonna head to Karan's place. Let's do this. Karan.
How are you?
So good. How are you? So this is my school friend Karan.
Hi guys. I'm too tall for the camera. So we'll start off with a block of butter. This much. Yeah. Then we'll add just a little bit refined oil to it so that it doesn't burn. So now at this stage I think I'll add like a little bit of mixed herbs. Just a little bit. That's all. That's not. And little bit of nutmeg, just slightly crushed. If you have nutmeg powder also, that will work. Single small bay leaf. So basically we are adding these whole spices to give the sauce like a body and like lots of flavor, of course. Now at this stage you add a little bit of maida. Okay, just a little bit, depending on how thick you like your pasta. Cook it for at least good 10-15 seconds until about it just starts to change its color. And I guess that's right about now. Now at this stage I've made a combo of white pepper powder and salt. Now that's how I like to do it. You can do it separately if you like. There you go, just a little bit of it. The idea is not to overpower the sauce of the pasta so that you end up with this really nice velvety kind of a sauce. Some milk to it. Make sure everything in the pan is really hot before you start pouring the milk into it. So the milk has to be really cold in order to make like a really nice velvety kind of a sauce, and trust me, that is the only secret to this recipe. Just make sure one of the mediums is really hot and the other medium is really cool. Pasta they eat in Italy is nowhere near what we eat in India, because they like to have their pasta a little bit crunchy, which they call al dente. So al dente is basically keeping the pasta a little bit crunchy so that you can take a bite of it. You know, in India we don't do that.
No.
We just simply gulp down the pasta, but that's not how you're supposed to eat it. So it should have a little bit crunch to it. So let's say if you're cooking, the cooking time for your pasta is 7 minutes. Make sure you're just cooking it for 6 minutes if you want that crunch in it.
Okay.
I personally like that crunch, and that's how I like to keep it. I never overcook my pasta.
Ooh, oh my god, Karan.
So yeah.
Delicious. Literally delicious.